again. Oi, oi, oi. Get up. We've got to do. Are we doing this?
What?
What's going on? Booked it.
What?
The thing with the plane and stuff. We're doing that in like an hour.
Are we doing this?
Yes.
Alright.
Right.
Alright. Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, God.
My heart rate monitor's going.
Alright. Alright, let's get this done.
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Alright.
No. Yeah. No.
Ah, this is.
Welcome to Outback Polaks. We've done some pretty crazy stuff in our lifetime. Climbed Mount Fuji, nearly died. Hit the Russian border twice.
Yeah. Survived the driving in Poland.
Yeah, and Korea.
Itself.
And Korea.
Yep. Various different places, yes.
But this is probably the craziest thing we're about to do. Yeah, Limmy? Except Limmy can't come. Yep.
Yeah.
So stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It's about to get wild. Alright. Welcome back, Minza, to the vlog.
Hey.
Ready to skydive?
Yeah.
Alright. We just need to take you through some rules, okay?
Okay.
Yep.
If anything happens to me and Mark, what do you do?
I don't know.
What do you think you should do?
I should. What if I die?
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about you.
Yeah. It's fine.
You'll be fine. What do you think you should do if any of us don't make it?
Go to your funeral.
No. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. You take my phone, you take his phone, you take my laptop, and you throw them as far as possible into the ocean.
Why?
Just don't worry.
Okay. No
That's what you do.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And the iPhone is waterproof. It's far away as
Okay.
possible, all right?
Okay.
Cannot be retrieved.
Okay. Got it.
If you're watching this, I made it. Are we ready to do this?
No.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Minza? Ready? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Any last words?
No.
You remember the first rule?
Yeah.
Do you remember the second rule?
Yeah.
What's the second rule?
Don't forget the first one.
Excellent. Good to hear.
Hey there guys, how you doing today?
Good. Yeah, not bad.
It's good shot. What are you guys up to?
Jumping out of a vertical aircraft.
That is correct. So we're going to put you guys on our plane, take you way up in the sky, then we're going to open the door and throw you at the ground at 200 kilometers an hour.
Thank you.
Whoa. Does that sound like fun?
No.
Well, we're going to do it anyway, right? You've already paid for it, huh? Alright. Well, shall we head to the plane, guys?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's get it started. Thumbs up. Let's do it.
4, high five. Let's do it.
Alright, mate.
Yeah, how'd it go? That was pretty incredible, eh?
Unreal, eh? Unreal.
But I can understand why you do this good job, eh?
It's pretty damn good, man.
Yeah.
Pretty damn good. What was your favourite bit other than going with me?
No, the brain's going too far.
Nice one, man. Well, would you do it again?
Yeah.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah. No,
Nice.
yeah, I would. I'm surprised. I thought I'd never do it in the first place, but I'd do that again for sure. Yeah.
Sick, man. Well, congratulations. Welcome.
Paul, you just jumped out of a plane.
I did.
Yeah? Tell me, what's going through your mind?
Oh, God.
1,000 different things.
To be honest, like I had to, everyone was telling me that spit and everything would be throwing at me.
Yeah.
I had none of that. It was dry.
Yep.
As the beach. So
That's the adrenaline.
Yeah.
The dry mouth.
Yeah.
What am I doing? I just jumped out of a plane. But it's kind of pretty cool. I bet. Yeah. How was your jump, man? How was your jump?
That's incredible, eh?
Yeah?
I can understand why you guys do this for a living, eh?
It's not bad. Hey,
I thought I wouldn't.
thank
do
you.
that.
Welcome to skydiving. Paul, thank you, my friend.
amazing.
Yeah. Enjoy, guys.
Hello.
Hey, Mum's here.
Oh my god, that was the craziest thing ever.
Just stay there.
Look, thanks man.
Hey, thank you, man. Thank you.
That's awesome.
So tell me, how was it?
That's the craziest thing I've ever done in my life.
Yeah? Sitting on the edge of the plane.
No,
We
no
jump-
none of that.
We jump on out. Yeah?
I couldn't.
You were having fun in freefall though.
No,
No, you wasn't. You wasn't.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, mate.
Say hi to Gotcha.
Mate, give me a
Cheers.
handshake. Welcome to skydiving. I hope you enjoyed it, yeah?
I loved it. It
I
was
think
awesome.
you'll look back at it. I think the vodkas will go down well tonight,
The
yeah?
vodka will go down well.
Enjoy, friend.
You're gonna join us, maybe?
Yeah, for sure, man. For
Done.
sure.
Where's
Deal.
Mark?
Oh, Sung Young!
Daddy, did you pee your pants?
No, I nearly crapped my pants. How was it?
I want to do it again.
How was the free fall?
It was, I don't know, I can't explain it. Yeah,
Was your mouth dry or wet?
yeah, it was really dry.
Yeah, so was mine.
I couldn't breathe as well.
We need a
It was like-
beer.
Oh yeah.
We did it! We don't have to get rid of our phones. That was the dumbest thing we've ever done. Bungee jumping next.
No, I'm not going.
I want to do bungee jumping. I saw a video.
I couldn't
about it.
feel my face. It was so cold up there, and then because I was wearing sunnies, like the goggles were pressing right in front. Are we doing this again?
Yeah, hell yeah.
No.
Absolutely.
Switzerland over the Alps,
Yep, out of a helicopter.
out of a helicopter. Right.
Ruffians out, mate.
Boys, coming in.
How are you, man?
The guys that made us live.
Hello, sailors.
Why, Jim?
Super duper. Ah,
Look,
Mate, good to see you
just
again.
watching the movies and reliving the memories.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's check them out. I haven't seen them yet.
Oh, it's fantastic. All right, boys. Thank you again for bringing us back home alive. Cheers. Now, look, since you're Polish, na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie. Enjoy homemade salted caramel vodka. How's that?
that is good.
That's good stuff, eh?
Deep again.
Well, this is not a bad way to end the day. Beer in my hand. I'm still alive. We're still alive. We're still alive. Ready to do it again. I don't know how else to end this vlog. We will need to have a proper discussion about how we felt doing this. I think we'll do this with a few drinks in our hand.
We would put that in at the end of the credits.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.